Here at Berryville to catch 9/16, 15/6. It's got Redding, or Weight of the World, and also Redding. Here he comes. Got Berryville Pet Supply. Trainzilla and his dad over here. Well, got a runner. Thanks to Trainzilla to give me a location that it was moving a little bit slower to come down here, catch a little bit of daylight. 2 heritage units I haven't caught yet. Mississippi, Kentucky, New Orleans, Delaware. That's a nice observation car. And Buena Vista. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Subscribe to Trainzilla too. Got 9:56 pulling out here at Audley, West Virginia, just north of Berryville. It's a nice echo with the dust like this. More north it goes. It's David Moss. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Also check out Trainzilla's channel. We have a location where this was at to catch it again.